this predicament. I'll see you later, guys. It's later! It's later! Good morning, afternoon, class. Was that Mr. Teddy that just went by? All right, we'll check in with him in a little bit and see what's going on. Are you ready to have a good Thursday? We're going to start off our Thursday reading a new book about caterpillars. It's a fiction book also. That means just pretend. The title is 10 Little Caterpillars. Now, if I use my eagle eye and look at the illustration, I see a giant leaf, sort of shaped like a heart. And do you see the little holes that have been eaten out of it? That looks just like those real leaves with little holes that were at Miss Perez's house. I see a lot of different caterpillars. The author is Bill Martin Jr. He wrote this story, and he titled it 10 Little Caterpillars. Let's count. Let's see if there are really 10 caterpillars on the front cover. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 caterpillars on the front cover. Look at the back cover. How many caterpillars do you see? I just see 1. Let's read the 10 little caterpillars, friends. The first little caterpillar crawled into a bower. A bower, it's sort of like a little place with a shady tree and pretty flowers. And there he is. That's that same caterpillar that was on the back cover. So there's the first caterpillar that we've met, the number 1. The second little caterpillar wriggled up a flower. Do you see him anywhere? It's a little bit hard to see in this illustration. But there he is. There's the second caterpillar. And it looks like he's already been eating. So we've met the first, the second. Now let's meet the third, the number 3 caterpillar. The third caterpillar climbed a cabbage head. Do you see him right there? Oh, and look, who's that down there looking up at him? Uh-oh. The fourth little caterpillar found a melon bed. That's a little group of melons that are growing on a vine. And there he is. There's the fourth caterpillar. So we've seen the first, the second, the third, the fourth. What comes next? The fifth. That's right, the number 5. The fifth caterpillar sailed a garden pool. Do you see the blue here, friends? I think the illustrator, Lois Elhart, I think she was meaning this to be the water. And it says he's sailing like in a boat. Do you think he's pretending that that leaf is like a little boat on the water? The sixth little caterpillar was carried off to school. Do you see him in the jar? Now you remember, friends, we found a ladybug once at our class, and we put it in a little jar, and we looked at it for a few minutes. But do you remember? We then set it free because that's the right thing to do. I guess the sixth little caterpillar is going to get to go do a little show and tell at a school too. The seventh little caterpillar met a hungry wren. Oh my, use your eagle eye. Do you see him right here, the seventh caterpillar? And there's the wren. That's a type of bird. And if the bird is hungry, what do you predict might happen to the seventh caterpillar? Oh dear. The eighth little caterpillar was frightened by a hen. It's a mommy chicken. Look, he got so frightened, it looks like he may have just jumped off the leaf. The ninth little caterpillar fell into the sea. Oh my, do you see him here? And what's that right next to him? That's right, it's a big fish. What do you predict? That means taking a guess about the future. What do you predict is going to happen to the ninth caterpillar? Oh dear. All right, we've seen the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. What comes next? 10th, the number 10 caterpillar. The 10th caterpillar scaled an apple tree. Scaled means he's climbing up. So he climbed up the tree and he hung there patiently. Now, if I use my eagle eye, I can't really see the caterpillar anymore, can you? But look, the author gave us a clue. These words say tiger, swallowtail, chrysalis. That's where the caterpillar went, friends. He's already wrapped up into his chrysalis. He's going to change. And when a little caterpillar metamorphosizes, he changes, what does he turn into? By and by, the 10th little caterpillar, look, he's nibbling himself out. He's coming out of his chrysalis. And what will he turn into? That's right, a butterfly. He became a beautiful butterfly. And look, friends, he has stripes kind of on his wings. They look like tiger stripes. Maybe that's why he was called a tiger-tailed butterfly. That's the end of 10 little caterpillars. All right, friends, come back a little bit later this afternoon, and we'll see if we can help Mr. Teddy out. I don't know what's going on. We'll figure it out, and we'll do some more things together. See you then.